Guys, what's up? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get some a vegan meal. There's a vegan restaurant right near me where I live. I'm gonna walk there and get a mix up because they have meals for 850 and they have one for 1,000. So I'm gonna get one for 1,000 because you get a little bit more food in your box when you get the $1,000 one, you know. So they call the box mix up. So I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna take you with me so you can see that real quick. Yeah, let's go. I got my guns out today, you know. I got a mix up again. Lunch. Yeah, man, see it there? Some Lyttle Rastaman thing. They have quinoa, but I never had quinoa before, so I wasn't about to try it today because I'm starving, you know. So I just took the rice and peas, which I shouldn't be eating rice, but it is what it is, you know. And just for today, I'll have some of this and let you know how it is, you know. Kind of look a bit stale, but it is what it is. Love letter came to the mail. It says I miss you. I rip it up and flip with the tissues, trying to forget you. I ain't got nothing against you. We human, we all got issues, but I'm tired of being tired. That part of me didn't die. I seen it and I don't like I'm blind. I'm confident it won't be one of mine. I know emotions come with life, so I tell the truth all the time. Ain't got no sympathy for no. Right now, I'm gonna go on the road, go pick up some go ahead and pick up a delivery from Amazon that just came in. It's a small delivery. It's like some Crocs. I was gonna buy some of those Yeezy slides, but those Yeezy slides was really expensive for real. Like, maybe I'll buy it next time. But I bought some new Crocs. It was cheap. It was like $40. And then when you ship it out, and then you pay it, and what I have to pay for it now is 560 Jamaican dollars to pick it up. So it's good. It's cheaper if I buy it on Amazon than here in Jamaica. If I was to buy it in Jamaica, it was probably about $12,000. That's a lot of money. Let me see. I'm not sure. I think it's more because $40 is probably like what, 5,000, 6,000 in a pay. So basically 6,000. So basically Jamaica them double the price. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna go pick that up right now, and let's see what happens today. After I pick up it was a long traffic. I was driving around a lot. I got tired, so I went to play some football. I was playing some football. The football game stopped early, you know. Bad vibes, stopped the football game early. But it is what it is. You know, blood rushing in the brain and all of that with football. Man start pretty different than one bag of ass long so that stopped the game early today. But I'm home now. I take a shower. I had some mangoes, sweet mangoes. Those mangoes are heavenly for real. And yeah, I also had 4 cheese patties. Yeah, I beat up 4 cheese patties like a bad boy should today with a cranberry water at the New Kingston Juicy Patties. That's the best patty that I ever eat. The New Kingston one. I'm not gonna go to the one in what you call that, Legany anymore. I'm gonna go to New Kingston. New Kingston is actually closer to where I live too. So I'll be going to New Kingston Juicy Patties whenever I feel like I wanna eat some patties. You know, because those are the best. I'm just here chilling under the AC, watching some YouTube videos. Yeah, thinking of making a video tonight. What should I make a video about that? I'm brainstorming. Hey YouTube, what's up? Top of the morning to you. Yesterday I picked up these Crocs. You know what I mean? From a shipping company I was telling you about. Very nice. I paid $560 to pick them up. And I paid like about $40 for them on Amazon. Very good, Brody. Them looking spiffy. You get me? Spiffy Crocs. Right now I'm gonna go do my hair, going to the hairdresser right now. Get some cornrows, you know what I mean? I'm looking like a Rasta man for real right now. You heard me? So I'm gonna go to the hairdresser and then to the barber, get a lineup, get a clean cut. I'm not going nowhere tonight, but you know, I gotta look spiffy. You understand what I say? Yeah.
No, to them here one little purple. No.
That's a whole lot of hair, ain't it?
Yes,
Christian Oliver King. Alright? Some gospel song Oliver King.
Sometimes, not all the time.
Follow George here, kid.
You see, let me see it now, Baba.
And book where you see. Picture.
Yeah, this one. All that. Them there were. Ain't two there? What? Where you look on?
Follow George.
A video? You need to do more than that, man. You need to make it excited.
Okay.
No.
And then it starts.
You have to make it excited today.
Look at himself. This is social media is
Social media is for business. Right.
And it's not to?
And it's not to put your personal business on it.
It's to promote.
It's to promote
your business.
Exactly, your business.
I said, go
promote your
follow
business.
Jones here,
Yes.
book your appointment now.
So you can follow me on Jones Hair Care.
On Instagram.
Yeah. Follow me on Jones Hair Care. Yeah.
On Instagram.
Bubba will edit it.
And put it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at Jonathan. He get big.
Okay. Nah, man, lie.
Nah, man, lie.
Catch it at a lie. Chubby. Looking good, I know. Looking
Sleek.
spiffy. So yes, I just got my hair done. Right now I'm at the barber shop. I'm gonna get a fresh lineup so that I can look like a handsome young stranger. You know how it is. So yeah, I'll do that and then check back in with you later. Yeah, so I got a lineup right now. Looking spiffy. I don't know where I get that word, and I'm just killing the word. So I'm going home right now. Eat some food and just chill. Get me? Yeah. You see in life, you see if you know everything already, there's nothing more you can learn. Nothing new you can go learn, nothing new. Yeah, so I'm at home right now, a couple hours later, actually, and I'm just chilling in my new Crocs. New hairdo, looking spiffy. Yeah, just chilling, cooking dinner on a Friday night. I'm not going out tonight. I'm not going out this weekend either. I'm just chilling all weekend. This is crooked. This is a bit crooked. Now there we go. Now there we're balanced. Yeah. So yeah, that is my night. It is it. Maybe I make a video tonight. Reaction video or something crazy like that. I don't know it. But please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I was looking at the analytics. I'm seeing about 72% of my viewers are not subscribed, and that's crazy, you know. If you're watching the video, please just subscribe. Please just subscribe, okay? Thank you.